Hello, I'm Amaryllis. I will show you how you can turn paper sheets into stunning star decorations. To make the star decoration, you will use a plain paper sheet. These are regular A4 sheets. You will need 20 of them to make a large star. You will also need a string, scissors, and a glue stick. As you can see, it's very simple. I will add a little twist to the star and I will paint strips on each paper sheet. You can use plain sheet, you can use colored paper as you want. So if you want to paint strip, use a large brush, acrylic paint, and just make strip on the paper. You will need 20 sheets to make a large star. Let the paint dry. All the sheets are painted and dry, and we are ready to make the star decoration. Take a sheet of paper, fold it in the center, then fold and align the edge with the middle fold. Then fold the other side, and you have to overlap the edges, about 1 centimeter overlap. It's great. And now you will apply glue along the edge and attach the ends together. Press. And then you can draw the star shape on the paper. And then you can cut out the shapes. This is the shape, and you repeat on the other sheet of paper. And you can use the first piece as a template to reproduce the shapes. And again, you cut it out. And you repeat with the 20 piece of paper. I will show you a little tip to make the paper star a little faster. Once you have folded several paper, you can stack them on top of each other. Use the template and report the shape on the first paper. So you line as much as you can the 5 layers and use a paper clip to hold them together, and then you can cut the 5 layers at once. Move the paper clip when needed. And this is how you can cut 5 shapes in one time. Now that you have 20 pieces of paper ready, you can start to assemble the star. So you will have to apply glue here and next to the bottom edge. and you just place them on top of each other and you press a little. And at this point I have 10 pieces of paper glued together, and I will cut a piece of string and glue it in the center so I can easily hang the paper star. Just cut a piece, join the ends, add glue here, place the string, add more glue on top, and you just keep placing the paper on top of each other. Once all the 20 pieces are glued together, you can just finish the star by adding glue here and open it. Or I give you another option, which is very practical if you want to store the paper star flat to use them next year or for another occasion. What I will use to close the star is Velcro. This is regular Velcro. You have adhesive one, which will be more practical for this craft, but I will just use what I have. So I will cut a piece of Velcro, more or less the length of the paper, a little shorter. Once you have cut the Velcro at the correct length, just take one part and glue it on one side of the paper star. Use a glue gun, or as I said, you can use, you also have adhesive Velcro, which is perfect for this project. Try to glue it in the center. Then glue the other side of the Velcro on the other side of the star. And now it's time to open the star. And you just press the Velcro against each other, and that's it. I will show you some other designs I made. Here is another shape I made. And I made a mistake with this one. You can see I have 3 small pieces of Velcro. Don't do that. It's very difficult to open the paper star. So just use a long strip as I did in the example. So if you cut this kind of shape, you have this star. Here goes another ID. So you can see it has cut here and here. This other shape. And this is the last one. And as you can see, I use gold paint to make this one. I like this one very much. Let me know in the comment which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this easy paper star. For more easy craft ideas, please like and follow.